Manifolds or load balancers? What about a third option? What if you could build something just as compact as a manifold, but smart enough to balance itself, compress extra capacity, and feed every machine evenly? Well, let me introduce you to closed-loop feed systems. The idea is simple. Start with a standard manifold, but replace your regular splitters with programmable splitters set to send items to machines first and forward the rest. At the beginning of the line, add a priority merger. Then loop a belt from that last splitter back into your initial merger. Feed that same merger with your first input belt, and re-inject any additional supply belts further down the line where the belt load begins to drop off. Finally, set all priority mergers to pull from the loop first. Now every section stays full while extra material recirculates instead of backing up. The system shown here converts copper ingots into copper powder. Each constructor draws 300 per minute, and with 10 machines that's 3,000 per minute total. The input is 4 Mark V belts at 780 each, 3120 per minute total, giving the system 120 per minute surplus. The setup can be thought of as a collection of smaller manifolds. Because 10 machines don't divide evenly into 4 belts, we end up with 2 3-machine sections and 2 2-machine sections. The 3-machine sections run at a slight deficit, while the 2-machine sections run with a small surplus. Since the entire layout is connected in a loop, that surplus automatically circulates back into the start, feeding the hungrier sections and minimizing downtime. To perfect the system, you can turn each group of machines to exactly match the supply available to that section. Once the math lines up, the loop stops carrying excess entirely, perfecting the balance. Technically, the return loop could be removed at this point, but don't. It still acts as a stabilizer if any machine backs up, and it serves as a quick visual indicator that something's off. The system will also run without programmable splitters at all. It's a little bit less effective, and you'll always see a few items traveling back on the loop, but it still self-balances beautifully. So go ahead and experiment with your own configurations. See how they behave under different loads, and share your results in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and catch me live on Twitch.